Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to make a fresh and delicious chicken salad recipe that's perfect for a light meal or even a quick lunch. For this salad we will be using tender chicken breast. So first we will start marinating the chicken with garlic, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes, and 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves and salt to taste. Mix everything well and set this aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll prepare the sauce. For this we will use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste and 1 tablespoon of honey, and give everything a good mix. If you are interested in making homemade mayonnaise and mustard paste, check out the video links for these recipes in the description box. To this we will add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and mix everything well. So now our sauce is ready. Into a pan add some oil, add sliced capsicums, and we will saute this for about a minute, just enough to soften it. Once done, we will remove and set it aside. In the same pan, we will add little more oil and cook the chicken pieces. We will cook one side first. We'll cover with a lid and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip the chicken. Cover again and cook until fully done. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once the chicken is nicely cooked, remove it from the pan. In a bowl, we'll add the cooked chicken. Then we'll add the sauteed capsicum, boiled corn, sliced carrots, onion, and some tomatoes. We'll also add some fresh lettuce. And now mix everything well. For a little crunch and sweetness, we will add some almonds and dried cranberries and give everything a mix. Now we'll pour the sauce we made earlier over the salad ingredients and mix everything together until well combined. So here we go, our nutritious and flavorful chicken salad is ready. It's perfect for a quick, wholesome meal that you can enjoy anytime. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, tasty recipes. And do remember to check the links in the description for my homemade mayonnaise and mustard paste videos. Thank you for watching.